The second thing is, if my target segment is cosmopolitan, how do I communicate my foreign brand offering to those target segments, keeping the local culture in mind? So these are the two things that you need to keep in mind when you are functioning as a marketing manager, keeping the culture as a central part of your communication. So if you look at the brand Axe, all of us know how they communicate with their audience. It's a highly low involved product, very low involved product. I mean, that industry itself is very low involved. So what happens is these superficial aspects come into the picture. All of us know how Fog communicates with the target audience, how Axe has started that particular trend, how they, how they assume that women salivate looking at a man's perfume. They have been doing that. Axe has been doing it. Axe was the one who has started it. So the way they communicate to their Western audience, if they do the cut copy paste of those commercials into the Indian market, that is when they'll get into trouble. So they need to customize, do a lot of censorship has to come into the picture, and then only you can air your commercials in the Indian setting. So what's the hashtag over here? Culture. Okay. Now, when all of us go to BMC mall to watch a movie, we keep seeing this particular commercial called as Cadini Italy. I mean, it's an Italian brand which offers those blazers and those suits, right? So that particular dress is a Western dress. So you can communicate to your audience with those commercials, with your positioning strategies, etc., etc., etc. But how do you think in terms of culture? How can you integrate yourself in the cultural line and get benefited as a business company? I'll just show you three pictures right now. They'll be flashing on your screen. Looking at these three pictures, you'll get to know what I'm speaking about. So take a look at these three pictures. Yes, you have seen these three pictures. The fourth picture is the pivot of this particular brand called as Cadini Italy. Look at the fourth picture. You have seen that particular fourth picture, right? So what is happening? You are getting associated with the marriage market. So what is happening over here is some classical conditioning is happening. You are getting integrated with the local culture, and at the end of the day, the groom is thinking that I need to have a picture wearing a blazer or wearing a suit with my particular wife. There should be that segment as well. So once you have planted this particular thought, understand what is happening. So what is happening? You are getting associated with a market which is one of the largest market in the world. Marriage market in India. You get yourself associated with the marriage market in India, sales will keep flying. Why? Because the WTP aspect, willingness to pay aspect for Indians will touch sky high during the marriage season. This is the beauty of this particular nation. We celebrate our marriages. At times we cross the line, at times we don't, but celebration is there. So once you as a Cadini brand, you get associated with the marriage market, that's it. You are actually turning on a hot tap.